Coverage continues with Tony Aiello live in Rockland County with more on how municipalities and residents are getting ready. Tony.
Hey, Cindy, this is the Clarkstown Highway Department yard in Nanuet, New York, and all morning long, front-end loaders have been dropping tons of salt into trucks. The superintendent here, Bob Malone, tells me their salt budget for this storm is $70,000. This scene is being repeated across the northern suburbs. Stores are also busy as residents stock up for the storm. On the hunt for snowmelt, Nick Barnhorst felt lucky to find it at his second stop of the morning. What's your level of anxiety on a scale of 1 to 10?
0. I'm looking forward to it.
Why?
It's fun to have a nice snow day. Maybe we'll get school off on Monday, and a lot of playing in the fluffy stuff.
Shovels, scrapers, fire logs, and gloves, all selling briskly at businesses on Halstead in Harrison. What is your level of anxiety about this weather forecast this weekend?
My level's probably an 8 because I'll be stuck in the house.
Robin Carollo will be with 3 dogs who don't like going outside in winter weather. Hence, this purchase of training pads.
Keep them in, put training pads down, and they'll be fine. They're happy with that.
They're happy not to go out in the snow and the cold.
Right, they're happy. Yeah. I'm happy, too, not to go out.
With the bulk of the storm hitting on Sunday, these parishioners at St. Gregory the Great have made a plan.
We're all just talking about that. We're going to go Saturday at 5. Yeah.
Because you don't want to be out on Sunday?
No. We'll be shoveling Sunday.
Whatever God has for us, I accept.
And if that's 10 inches of snow, you're fine?
I am fine with that, because I'm used to shoveling.
That is a great reminder to double check any plans you may have for Saturday and Sunday. Lots of schedules being rearranged. For example, many women's college basketball games, including Fordham at George Washington and UConn at Seton Hall, they've been rescheduled from Sunday. Those games will now be played on Saturday. So lots of schedules being rearranged. Double check before you head out. Check online, make a phone call. Double check before you head out over the weekend. Whatever you're planning on going to may have changed. Live in Nanuet, New York, Tony Aiello, CBS News, New York.